Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are on the 23 Goldwing DCT. We're out today. It's a beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees and we're headed to Tombstone, Arizona, about 15 miles ahead. And Sherry's feeling better, so we got her on the back.
Yep, feeling way better.
Hey, she's glad to be back on the bike. Long
Yeah.
time coming. And we got Cricket in the back in the carrier. Same way with him. He's ready to go ride.
Yeah. He was excited.
Going across the desert. Uh-oh.
Yeah, we were actually planning a Goldwing trip to go off and go take the, well, no, we was going to take the Gladiator, weren't we?
Yeah.
Sorry. We were going to take the Gladiator and take the 300L with us. That way so Frank could do a few little videos with that while we were out and about. But that got postponed because that Tuesday we were getting prepared and ready, and well, we talked about it like that Sunday and everything, and then Monday rolled around and I just wasn't feeling all that good and couldn't hardly sleep all night Monday night, and then by Tuesday morning we was planning on leaving by Wednesday, but that all got put on hold because of my appendix. We thought it was my gallbladder because I've had issues with my gallbladder in the past, and it was giving me the same symptoms, but then they come in and said, surprise, it's your appendix. So I was like, yep, we got to get it removed before it busts. So thankfully we done that. Now I'm on the road to full recovery, and now we can start planning things and start doing our trips. That would have been bad to be out in the mountains somewhere and my appendix would have ruptured.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
I'm just thankful to God that God has had his hand on everything. So he was protecting from certain things happening and stuff. So thankfully it all turned out the way it did. He gets all the glory for that.
Amen. Uh-oh.
What?
Cop had his lights flashing.
So was he flashing with us?
No, I don't think so. We're not.
Was he on, I'll let you know, maybe this down here?
I doubt it. I don't know what he's doing. He's probably going somewhere after somebody.
Might have been. Another one of those Arizona dot trucks.
Look at them mountains. There's mountains everywhere.
Yep.
They just go as far as you can see back in there. Layers of mountains.
Now here you can see the houses a little bit better.
Yeah, little houses down there.
Can't just see the rooftops. Another car right on our butt.
City limits of Tombstone. The depot.
Huh?
The depot.
The depot?
Yeah.
You're so funny. free parking there, and I think that restaurant was down there on that corner.
Mm-hmm. Yep, we're gonna go back this way
Okay.
first, just for kind of a tour through here. That's the OK Corral right there. There's some people up there in the bleachers fixing to watch the show.
There's our restaurant.
Yeah, restaurant's right here. There's some bikes. There's a pink one there too.
Mm-hmm.
We can park right here.
Yep. OK Cafe.
It's okay. We got reverse.
Yep.
There's the main street of Tombstone right there.
I just hope somebody don't try to pull in here and hit our bike.
Well, I hope they don't. But you know how it goes. So we're going to go to this cafe here. We've been to this one before. It's the OK Cafe right there, home of the Buffalo Burger. And man, they got good stuff. I had chicken last time. She had a Buffalo Burger.
Mm-hmm.
And it was excellent, really.
Really good.
Cricket probably don't want to go.
Okay, I'm not used to these yet.
They pull down on this red thing right there. There you go.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not even doing it right there. Okay, so we're going to go eat and we'll be back a little bit. Okay, we have left the restaurant. There's the stagecoach tour you can take. We did that last time we was here.
Yeah, it's fun.
Pretty cool. I don't know where I'm going down here, but I think I'm going the wrong way. It's not where I wanted to go.
No, this is like dirt road.
It's a gravel road.
Yeah.
I'll have to turn. There's a caboose up there.
I don't think we want to be on gravel.
Uh-uh.
All I know is we got to get some airflow going for Puppy Dog and us.
Cricket wants some air moving. He's hot. I don't know, but that stagecoach is going to get a speeding ticket.
Can you imagine how long it took to travel across the deserts back in the day?
Oh, yeah.
Across the country?
Mm-hmm. Man, yeah, it'd take you a while.
And as bumpy as they are,
Mm-hmm.
you'd be black and blue and everything else from bouncing up and down in them things.
Old Tombstone Western Town. They got a western looking town part built up there.
Mm-hmm. Kitchen post. Look at all the dead buzzard skeletons.
Probably dead buzzards all over that truck.
That's pretty cool. They died in the heat.
There's nothing but bones left. It's a good enough mine underground tour.
See that?
It's good enough, I guess.
Look at it.
Oh, yeah. Fancy.
Fancy smancy. You have to go straight because you can't turn on these streets.
Nope, you can't turn and go down the main street here. They got it blocked off.
It's for stagecoach and walking only.
Yep, just for foot traffic, and the stagecoach can go up and down through here. pretty cool
If you
anyway.
ever get a chance to come to Tombstone, Arizona, come and check it out.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. We like it. Walk through the shops.
Yep. They got lots of shops. They got some eating places. They got hotels. They got an RV park. And actually, they got more than one. They got like 2 or 3 of them, I think. He likes his beef over the chicken.
Yeah.
He'll eat chicken, but man, he would much rather have the beef. He goes nuts over beef.
They got looks like a rodeo ground here, or is that a baseball? That's ball field, I guess.
That's the old school.
For the school. Yep, they still got a school here in this town.
Pretty run down.
Yeah.
See, that's a school too, right there. This is for the new buses. That's
Yep.
what the buses are for. 'Cause the old schools, they don't use it no more.
I think we're on the back road here, around the outskirts of the big city. Cochise County Sheriff.
Little car. We were both.
There's them things.
Them on cactuses, yeah.
I forget what he called them, boy. I tell you, I'm horrible. Tom told me what they are. He'll comment below and tell me again, probably.
Probably. Maybe we should have studied up on Arizona before we moved out here.
No kidding.
There's so many different plant species and stuff out here, it's unreal.
Yeah, it's a lot different than...
Of the cactuses and everything, which I love cactuses. I think they're pretty.
Yeah.
I like all the unique cactuses and...
She's a cactus hugger. She likes to hug them.
I wish I could hug them. I wish I could pick them up with my hand, but you can't. You'll get poked.
Look at all this housing out in here.
Mhm. Yep, you get poked and stabbed by everything out here.
Hope this thing ain't gonna take us on a dirt road.
I was gonna say, we've been out here before. We went up that way last time.
Well, that's where we're going now, looks like.
With Scotty and Angie. And the Jeep, I just hope, I don't remember if it turns into a dirt road.
I don't want to go no dirt road. It says 23 miles on this road, so yeah, I wouldn't want to do 23 miles of dirt.
We'll see if it turns into dirt. I don't remember. It's been a while since we've done that trip with them when we come over here.
Yeah.
But, yep, I like those plants.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh, cattle guard, here's a bump.
That wasn't too bad.
This way is Gleason 13 miles.
Where?
Grid Gleason, whatever that is. Okay, we are out of Tombstone. That's it. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up and subscribe down below. We got lots more videos coming. God bless. Catch you on the next one. Right on.